Tornado Watch number 298 remains in effect until 9 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Illinois: Grundy, Kane, Kendall, Livingston, and McHenry. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know of weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado.